these out. They're done. These turned out awesome. Check these out. I think they stand. Yeah, they stand. Check those out. I wasn't sure about these colors when I first picked them. And this is a W2 military khaki and a tan, but I think it actually turned out pretty nice. So yeah, not half bad. There he is. He actually did pretty good. I kind of liking him. Also have some running in green and glow in the dark. So those should turn out pretty cool as well. So I'm afraid to say this name. Diplodocus? I think I said that right. Flexi Dinosaur is from stlflix.com. That's where I found it. And you do need a membership to get to the file.